6:09 p.m., a reported 12 breaks-in happened in the last hour. To all residents of Toronto, it is suggested you hide in your home until the threat is gone. Don't open the door for anyone, and make sure to keep food and water close to you. The police will do their best to protect you from the threat.
Hi, look, I going to be doing my best to do this message thing, but basically, almost the whole Toronto Police Department has been overrun by these things. To anyone that's still alive, hide in your house. Oh God, it coming, help me, help me.